everybody, welcome back to Online Orientation 2021. I feel that yesterday's session gave a clarity about how our college works, so today let us know it from our own fellow seniors. But before that, it's obvious that everybody of you are equally curious regarding the placement opportunities in our college. So let's hear it from our own placement officer. I would like to welcome Mr. Chaitanya Kirti sir, who can tell us more about the career opportunities through our college.
Good morning, all. Respected parents and my dear students, at the outset, I heartily congratulate you all for becoming members of BBC family. Let me introduce myself. I am Chaitanya K. Birata, Assistant Professor and Placement Officer in Ballari Business College. I have done my MBA from IIPM Mumbai campus in International Marketing Specialization. I have 7 years of industry working experience at middle level of management from different companies. Few companies which I worked for are, first one is SSCPL, which is an architect firm where in Mumbai I worked as a business development manager. Then second company I worked for was Economic Times Events and Exhibitions, where I was the sales manager across India. Then I'm also carrying international experience where I went to Dubai and worked for Danny Group. Then lastly, I worked for Eagle Trade as a marketing head, South Zone. Now coming to our placements related information, how we place our students in reputed firms and what is the process that we follow in Ballari Business College. First, let us understand what kind of training process we follow for from first year to third year. Okay. Now, once you join first year in Ballari Business College, there are two types of trainings will be provided. First one is on-the-job training, and second one will be off-the-job training. Now, in the on-the-job training, what exactly will be happening is during your regular classes, our experienced faculties will give you in-depth knowledge with aspect of subject related concepts, and they will connect those concepts into the reality of business world, okay, through studying case studies, so giving different assignments based on live case studies, etc. Wherein second kind of job training, what happens, it is called off the job training, wherein it's done separately for final year students, which comprises of personality development, skill enhancement, knowledge and their attitude building, okay, and we will bring some experts from the related industry, wherein they will be coming and giving you the live examples of how the corporate world is working and what are the changes taking place at present situations. And we will enhance you we will prepare you for giving corporate presentations. Then at the end, we will work on your how to communicate effectively. Okay, this is all. We will do it separately for final year students because they will be preparing for this one, placements. Now, after this, what is the exact placement process? Everyone will be curious to know, right? In Ballari Business, what kind of process they follow. So let me tell you this before bringing any company to the campus. Okay, we will first notify area of interest of each and every candidate. Final year semester students, I'm telling. For them, we will discuss with individual students and ask them what is the area of interest. If the student is confused, what kind of area they are looking forward or where they fit into, we as a faculty, okay, we will counsel them, and based on their academic records, we will be able to counsel them on what kind of area will be suitable for them. Then we will enhance their skill sets, and so that they can perform well during the interviews. After that, based on an area of interest, we classify students. Okay, we classify students in different groups and we start training them. So, example now, so few students are interested in marketing area and few of them are interested in finance. So, we will make two categories in that, two groups, and accordingly the respective faculties will start training them. So, So for marketing, what kind of skills required, what kind of effective communication you must and should have, okay, and what kind of opportunities are available in the sales and marketing field. Same way, finance department, accounts, these faculties will be discussing in detail. Okay, so like for marketing, we call respective industry. Again, we call respective industry expertise to present students about their experiences and give some live exposure to the corporate world. After all training sessions, okay, this kind of training sessions done, next step will be we start evaluating their performances by conducting written tests, then mock interviews we will plan, then group discussions we will do, so on. After all this process, we will send students for final placements interviews only if we found that students is fit and they can attend the final interviews. So if student again found they have some difficulty, again we will repeat the process what I have explained earlier. Again the training, we will start giving them few highlights, how to talk, how to communicate, what kind of questions will be asked, how to answer them, what kind of body language you should follow. So all such things will be trained once again, and again we will polish them, and again we will send them for final placements. Okay, this is all about the entire training process, how we do and what kind of exactly placement process is taken care. Okay. Now coming to the most important, what kind of companies we bring in for our campus trial. So I will list out the companies. Few of them to name are, first one is Jaro Education. Okay. Then we have 24/7. Then we have collegedeco.com. Then after that, Vivo we have Infosys, we have Oracle, we have TCS, we have Asan Jobs, we have Tradeful Securities, we have Thyrocare Technologies, we have Wipro, so on. Okay, so these all companies are regular visitor. They come for campus trial and they will hire the students on yearly basis. Okay, I'll give some facts and figures of batch wise how many students have been placed till now. Okay, now when I talk about 2017 and 18 batch, there were around 43 students were placed, in which Tradeful's campus trial was able to hire 16 students. Okay, then collegedeco.com has hired 7 students, then Asan Jobs 3 students, then Infosys 15 students have been placed during that batch. So overall comprising 43 students. So likewise 2018 and 19 batch, around 10 students placed in Architect Infosystems, Orchid International and collegedeco again once again they have visited. Now freshly this recent batch 2019 and 20 batch, which is recently passed. Okay, 16 students have been placed, in which 11 were placed in Infosys and the remaining were placed in Jaro and Byju's with the highest package in the region. So Byju's package was highest is 8 lakh, and the Jaro Education, one of our students secured 6.6 lakhs package. So this is all about placement. I once again welcome you all and thanks for selecting BBC, and you hope you will be having a wonderful journey ahead, 3 years of your career. Once again, thank you all. Take care.
Thank you, sir, for letting us know regarding the various employment opportunities. As we move further, we have the successfully placed students sharing their experiences. Firstly, I would like to invite Ms. Preeti Kumari to share how her college helped her in building her own set of skills.
Good morning. Mr. Prithviraj YJ Bhupal sir, Chairman of Ballari Business College, Director Mr. Amarraj Bhupal sir, Dean Mr. Jayana sir, and Principal Mr. Ramchandra sir. And also, I have to say, the youngest of our family. All the first year students, a very good day to you all. It's an utmost pleasure for me to be here to welcome the youngest of our family, all the freshers gathered here together, where I want you all to know that you are wholeheartedly welcomed the very moment you stepped into this college. College life might not be the absolute best years of your life. After all, but life is pretty long. They do have the potential to be the best, you get the best years of your life with lots of memories and experience that is life changing. Now, talking about college life, it's just a huge milestone towards your future and the success. And it's obvious. And it's about everything, even apart from the book learning. You get to meet a lot of people, you get to know, and you get into a lot of situations, and then you explore new things, and you learn very lot. That's completely out of your even idea that you get to know. And thinking, keeping all this in mind, the vision, the trust has provided us with an outstanding faculty, state of art facilities, and the amenities for congenial learning. To make an historical beginning, the group has come up with undergraduate courses like Bachelor of Business Administration and Bachelor of Commerce degrees affiliated to Sri Krishna Devaraya University. The college has flooded our students with a lot of opportunities and continuously aims at improving and bringing the best in us. And obviously, it's not that every child is born with a talent, it's just how you make it by yourself. So it's your own responsibility. The opportunity is given, now it's your turn to use it to the fullest. In the first year itself, I had a lot of chance to take parts in Management Fest. Like we went to the colleges, AKIMS, RVIMS Bangalore, then Davangere colleges, and a lot more. Like it was very, life-changing thing. Like I never thought I could go into, competitions and then win and come back. And I had lack of confidence, but this is what all I've got from the college. What I am today, where I am today, is because the confidence given by the faculties, the support, the teachings are at its best. The interview especially is, I'll tell you, no college will provide you with a perfect training. The college, the faculties even missed classes in order to give us training and to make us perfect to attend the interviews, completely formally. And that was a complete blessing, I feel like. And then we have a lot of courses now being provided where you will be guided for your competitive examinations, and there's a lot of good guidance from this college like you won't ever get from any other colleges. And if you want, there are certain students who want to go to Bangalore to study, but let me tell you, college everywhere is the same, faculties everywhere is the same. It is in the hands of student. You guys are management students, so everything that happens in the college, the whole control is in your hands. So whenever, whatever you want to do, just discuss it with the teachers and higher authorities and get it done. That is how you'll make, you'll learn things. You'll know how to manage. The complete opportunities and everything, the freedom is given to the student so that they utilize it, they understand, and that is how it's practically done. Theory is not all we need. Practical is that everyone demands. And talking about my journey, it was fantabulous. As I've already said, I've started with Fest, and then our own Fest, that is PV Spectrum, which was a huge success when it was held in called BBSC school. And you might be very well aware of the functions that happens in the college, that is Ethnic Day, Graduation Day, and many more. Like we, even conduct our Fun Fest, we conduct activities for our own fun, and then Freshers Day, and many more. And it completely depends on you, what you want to do. If you have a greater idea, you communicate with the teachers, and the teachers will help you in, making that particular activity happen. So not in every college this happens. It's a blessing to be here. That is all what I can say. And in the end, I congratulate you and I heartily welcome you all to be a part of Bellary Business College. It is just that you have to make the best of the opportunity that is given to you and make sure you're active, because that is what the companies, the world and everybody demands, is the activeness of a student and how much he or she is not doing, academically. It is you who has to do it practically. You learn. And then you relate the concepts to the, practical learnings that you're learning from managing the things. And that is how the concepts become easier. So you don't need to study. You need to do it practically. And that all things are in your hands. And you are at the best place, I can tell. Make the best out of it. And once again, welcome and thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Preeti. Now we have Miss Rubel sharing how her college assisted her in pushing her capabilities to achieve goals.
Good morning, the youngest member of a family. So I'm Rubel Sharma. I recently passed out from the BBC College. So hope you all are doing well and not so bored. So don't worry, I'm not going to take up much of your time. So I'm going to share my experience and the opportunities which this college has offered me and helps me to grow. So exactly 3 years back, I was in your place, waiting this introductory session to get end. But actually time flies. So enjoy and learn. So even though you don't want to learn, this college will make you to do that in the upcoming 3 years. So make every moment count. And most of the time you're gonna feel that why I'm in this college, what I'm doing there. So don't worry, when you pass out from this college, you'll see a complete transformation in your personality. So don't take this college life as a race to win. Take it as a lesson to be learned. Okay? So don't go behind marks, academic excellence. Focus on your personality, development of your personality. So you might be having a question, how can I do that, or how can I work on that? So there will be many seminars in the classes. The teacher will give you opportunity to present a topic or something. So do that, grab that opportunity. Sometimes you're gonna feel that my communication skills are not good, I'm not that confident, how I'm gonna do that, people will laugh. So don't worry about that, because trust me, when I was a fresher, I got a chance to do a presentation and I was damn too scared. I was like, new people, how can I face them, and teachers are new, everything is new to me. Then I was sitting in the corner, I was preparing the notes, and then Jayana sir came and he explained me that topic. I still remember, and when I ended the presentation, everybody clapped. So that was the best moment in the college which I get. So that was the stepping stone for me. From there I gained the confidence, yes, I can do that, I have something, I'll work on that. So slowly I've worked on that. I've given so many of presentations, so many of seminars. I was not the one, the bookworm, never made the notes, and most of the time was out of the class. But when I was in the class, I make sure that that particular thing make a count. So I won't. So that's how you should be. So don't be like, I have to make notes, I have to do that. Make notes, but don't go too deep in that. Okay. Focus on your personality as well. And the second thing which you have to focus is there will be many seminars, fest, and the competitions organized by this college and the different colleges as well. Go in that, participate, because that's what which is very important. That's what I felt like after participating in the competitions and everything. I see a complete change in my personality. So either you win or lose, you'll get a one thing for sure, that is the attendance. Jokes apart, still excel the real world, you'll meet the new people, new experience to your life. And one more thing that is very important you're gonna get is the certificates, because that will add a weightage to your resume, definitely, because a resume with 10th and 12th certificate won't look that nice. Okay, so think in a long term, focus on that. Okay, so that's the only thing I'm going to tell, that focus on your communication skills, your confidence, and your personality, because these three things will make a mark. Because in your interviews also they'll be checking that. They won't ask you how much you got in the accounts, how much you got in the marketing. They won't ask you that. So focus on that, do your best, enjoy. Okay, so make fun, bunk the classes, and don't believe in the mass bunk, because that is a myth, that won't gonna work. So focus on that, enjoy it. So best of luck for the 3 years. And one more thing, grab every opportunity, take the full-fledged advantage of the college. If you think that I have a paid fees, make the advantage, extract everything, because not one or two opportunities, n number of opportunities. When you start, you'll see that in every month there will be so many fests, so many competitions, so many events. Go participate there. Okay, so that's for the. So best of luck with the 3 years, and hope you'll do well. Thank you.
Thank you, Rubel. Now I would like to call upon Miss Rohini to tell us how our college supported her in encouraging her proficiency.
Greetings to one and all. My name is Rohini. I'm done with my graduation with BBA from Bellary Business College with marketing specialization. I can say that Bellary Business College and the college life was a fantastic experience, and it's the place where I learned not only my education, but also all other extracurricular activities like conducting events, participating in inter-college competitions, and everything. The surrounding environment was absolutely fantastic, and our faculties are really supportive, and they show us the right path, and they guide us, and they say what is right for our career, and we get good placements, and where we get the best training for that and a special care. I got placed in Charo Education with 6.6 lakh per annum, and that was all because of a faculty's training and the special care which was taken. And I thank our DD Prithviraj sir and our Dean Dr. S. Jayana sir creating this kind good environment for all the students. And in one word, it can be said that Bellary Business College is not only a place where we can build a career, but also make a path for a future and a fantastic career. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohini. So now we have some more lovely seniors who are wanting to share their experiences and their journey in this college.
Good morning to one and all watching me. I feel glad and it's my privilege to stand before you guys. I just primarily take a few seconds to thank all the dignitaries like the director, chairman, dean, principal, and the respected faculties. Here I am to welcome you people, that is the freshers, to the world of academic entertainment. Some of you people are thinking right now, why did I join this college? You will be like worried, don't know how will I spend my degree college and all. The same way even I was worried, but at the end now I'm feeling like, no, I came to the right destination, and I'm damn sure you will be feeling the same kind of a sense at the end of your degree life. So I don't want you to find that sense in the end. So I'm like saying you people now itself in the beginning. So guys, you people have a wonderful faculties and the facilities which the BBC, that is the Bellary Business College, is providing for you people, and you have to grab each and every opportunities which the college is facilitating you people. And these are all is done because to boost up you in the every other curricular activities in the same path of the academic also. Just show your interest and my faculties will find your talent. In my college, that is Bellary Business College, you will not only find the academic pressure but also the practical knowledge, where like you will be getting many more management fests, BBC Spectrum, where you all are people are involved in it, and I'm sure that you will enjoy it with learning. The simple funda which I found in my teacher's teaching is that teaching us with entertainment. So before only I have used the word called like I have welcomed you a word of academic entertainment. That
Hello, good morning. Have a good day to the all new fresh faces. I herely heartily welcome you to the freshers party which has been conducting online due to that this COVID. I welcome you to our institution, this bachelor life, degree life, whatever you call, which you have been just passed with lots of emotions, with lots of love, with lots of happiness. I welcome you to enjoy this life in this the prestigious institute of the Bellary Business College. Degree life is not so long journey, but it has a many ups and downs. But once we go out of this college, we surely gonna miss this environment and the values which has our institution taught us, and the support of lecturers, those bunks, crazy friends, everything. But while being in this college, we may dislike some things or some few moments. But after going away from this college, or after leaving this college, we gonna miss this. Lecturers has a huge support for our bright future, brightening our future. and the institute has given us the full to support for our personal and professional objective careers, and they have supported for us for the things which we like to do. You people are lucky to come under this institute. Here the principal, dean and Jaina sir, who is a complete supportive part of the college, they will support us each in each and everything. We are lucky to talk about this college. We are lucky that we got the chance for speaking out the emotions and the things which I have learned in this college. Thank you guys. Have a bright future in this institution. Enjoy the orientation program which has been organized for you people for the enjoyment of you people.
Is get good grades. Good grades, huh? You need not be the topper of the university, but get good grades. Because you want a good job, they'll ask for a certain percentage. You want a good college seat, they'll ask for a certain percentage. So get good grades. So that's what is good is up to you. Then second thing, make good relationships. Good relationships in the sense friendships, make bigger circle, extend your group of friends. That's what I mean. So I can so happily and proudly tell I have so many friends from Ballari Business College, and I've learned so many things. When you meet new people, make new friends, you'll have a new idea about things, what you do, how you see things, everything. You'll get a new perspective. So that'll help you. If not today, some other day. And third thing, most important, take opportunity, take the initiative. You will have so many events coming up. You will have to conduct so many events, freshers party, farewell party, that program, this event, event in Davangere, event in Gurgaon, event in Bangalore, whatever. Try to grab opportunities that come to you and make most of it. So it's like, see, half of the times in Tinder, what happens? You right swipe for a like, or you left swipe if you don't like. So if you yourself don't right swipe, you will never know the opposite girl or the guy liked you or not. So first swipe right. Later you will see if she likes you or not. So take the opportunity. That's what I mean. And then, so I'll not eat much of time. I'll end with a small story that happened in BBC for me, and I always keep that in my mind. So what happened is, one day a faculty came to me and in the class and said, Prithvi, sell this to somebody. And I was like, okay. I went to one person, they didn't take it. I went to some other person, they didn't take it. Some 5-10 minutes I wasted the time, nobody took it. And then somebody finally got convinced and I sold it. And then my ma'am comes up to me and she's like, Are, this is nothing, Ray. I'm like, why, ma'am? I sold it. She was like, dude, you could have given an open pitch to the entire class, but you chose to go to one person, then one person, then one person. Wasted your time. You chose those people who you thought would buy it. So you don't know who will buy it or not. You just thought. And third thing, your idea of selling was really small. You sold it to one person when you could have thought big, like dream big. You could have sold it to entire class. Half of the people would have liked it, or half of the people would have not liked it. But you should have thought bigger. Dream big. So that's what I'll tell. You should always have a dream which is bigger than what you are right now. Don't limit yourself. Don't suck up. Be open, be excited, do a lot of things, take opportunities, and enjoy. Eat good food, do a lot of things, participate, present, do whatever, whatnot, and enjoy. Have a great time in BBC and make everybody proud. Make yourself proud first, and be happy at the end of the day. Happiness is all. And if you want to talk to me or any of the seniors or anybody, please talk to them. They are really cool people. Especially, we are all super cool people. I don't know about the faculty, but still. So take care. Have a great time. All the best.
Thank you guys. I hope that you all have a really good journey in the college and make lots and lots of memories, but at the same time develop a good career and a better personality of yourselves. See you soon at the college.